Hey DanishTuber, and welcome back to another grammar inspired video on DanishTube. If you're into Danish grammar or you're looking for an essential resource, check out Danish Bible Essential Grammar. It's now available on Amazon as paperback, hardback and Kindle, or on my website as an ebook. This is your go-to guide for Danish grammar. Simple explanations, practical applications, your go-to guide for Danish grammar. So today, the difference between man and ens. It can be both very simple and confusing, as they are both related to the word one in English. But then we don't say one very much in English anymore, we say you. But you don't say du in Danish, you say man, meaning one. And then there's ones or yours, where in Danish you say ens, and oh my god, I've gone cross-eyed. Let's break it down. Man is used as a general pronoun, referring to a non-specific person or persons, like one in English. It can sound a little old-fashioned or formal to use one in modern-day English, and although it is correct, most people now use you. For example, når man rejser til udlandet, skal man huske sit pas. When you travel abroad, you must remember your passport. So it might sound a little bit Shakespearean to say, when one travels abroad, one must remember one's passport. But in Danish, the word man is the one you should be using, because if you use du, it sounds like you're talking to the person in front of you. Når du rejser til udlandet, skal du huske dit pas. Ens, on the other hand, is the possessive form of man, and means his, her, or his, her own, or even one's in English. It's used to indicate that something belongs to the same person that has been mentioned. For example, man skal huske at passe på ens eget helbred. One must remember to take care of one's health. So while man is the general pronoun that refers to a person or people in general, ens refers to the possessive of the pronoun that indicates ownership of something belonging to the same person. Side note, ens can also mean identical or the same. For example, vi jo ikke ens. We are of course not the same, brackets, person. Or vi har to cykler og de fuldstændig ens. We have two bikes and they're exactly the same. There you have it, people. Man versus ens. Leave a comment if you have any questions, write your examples in the comment section, and remember, if you like Danish grammar and you want a go-to guide, check out Danish Bible Essential Grammar. Links in the description. Vi ses i den næste video. Hej hej. Danish Bible Essential Grammar, now available on DanishTube and Amazon.